Set at the end of a cul-de-sac, just steps from Beaver Lake, this turnkey 4-bedroom home features an open floor plan and an elevator, all nestled within a park-like setting. This Asheville home is more than just a place to live. It's your own private retreat. Surrounded by nature, it offers the perfect balance of convenience and serenity. Inside, natural light pours through large windows, highlighting the open floor plan and rich hardwood floors. At the heart of the home, the kitchen is built for both function and beauty. The sunroom, warmed by a see-through fireplace, is the perfect spot to start your morning or unwind in the evening. A large primary suite on the main level features 2 closets, a double vanity, tile shower, and jetted tub. Located next to the office, an elevator connects both levels, making every part of the home easily accessible. The terrace level includes 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, providing ample space for guests, hobbies, or storage. Spacious Trex deck and stone patio offer peaceful places to relax, all just a short walk from the quiet waters of Beaver Lake. Thoughtfully designed with modern efficiencies, this home is a true Asheville sanctuary, where comfort, accessibility, and natural beauty all come together as one.